I just received my brand new keyboard from REDRAGON. It's time to test it out, so let's get cracking. Of course, let's start with what's in the box. Obviously, this is the Dharma Pro 3-mode wireless hot swap mechanical keyboard, dust-proof and multicolor RGB, high speed, high control, and high response. Just peeking at the back, we've got Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz, and wired connections, so it's compatible with more devices. It has a sturdy brushed aluminum frame, hot swap keyboard for more mechanical switch options, and it's got almost 17 million RGB backlit colors. Slice through this piece right here so we can get it open. Love the logo. Protective covering. And wow. Love how sturdy the keyboard feels. Of course, right there we've got the USB-C plug-in. And right here we've got the cord. Notice it does USB-C. And we've also got the key replacement tool. And it comes with extra switches. How cool is that? There you can see the different connection. And much quieter than the clicky fidgets that I make. Awesome. So if we check out the keyboard, obviously we've got all the keys, function keys, and if we switch around to the back, there is our 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and then this is where we switch it to off, Bluetooth, or 2.4 gigahertz. I'm going to flip up the key rest, and we'll make test number 1 USB mode, powering up the overpowered laptop. If you haven't seen that upgrade video, I'll make sure there's a link in the description. As you can see, it has standard, but you can also, if you've got USB-C, you can work from it as well. Love how this connector is connected permanently. That way you don't lose it. And we've got the Velcro to keep it organized. Nice touch. I do have USB-C on the laptop, so that's what I'm going to work with. Alright, the laptop is fired up. I plugged the USB-C in the back, and there is the USB-C plugged in. We have got the lights waking up, and bingo, there is our initial RGB colors. Alright, so we have got it connected right now via USB. Let's run through the other connections as well. Alright, so I have grabbed the dongle. We've unplugged it. I'm going to switch it to 2.4 gigahertz. Flip it over, and we're going to do function and the letter R for about 3 seconds. And when this starts blinking rapidly, now we're going to plug in the dongle. And bingo, keyboard connected. I just opened a document. It is typing just like expected. Absolutely awesome. My PC has Bluetooth as well, so let's give that a go. Alright, so I have just switched it to Bluetooth. And once it comes on, we are going to hold function Q to enable the Bluetooth. Now we've got the faster blinking. And now we can go to the PC, find our Bluetooth devices. We want to add a Bluetooth device. Add Bluetooth. Bingo. It has got the keyboard. Done. And let's grab our document and type test. Sweet. That was easy peasy. Alright, so now that we've got it connected, let's run through the modes. The first thing I want to show you is function insert. Lets you switch to the various modes. There are 20 of these that you can experiment with and find the exact one that you want. Lots of room for you to explore and find the exact style you want. I think that would be distracting. You can use function print screen to disable the lights. Of course, it's that easy to bring them back. You can also do function delete to pick single colors. Find the exact color you want your keyboard to be working all the time. You can disable the Windows key with function Win. I have no need to do that. We can also swap with function Q, W, and E between Bluetooth connections. And of course, function R was what put us in the 2.4 gigahertz mode. If we do function escape, it goes back to factory settings. It also has some gaming patterns. If we hit function 1, notice we only have the ASWD. Function 2, we've got a few more keys. Function 3, a little bit more. Function 4, and function 5. There are also instructions for how you can record your own and lock them to there as well. Of course, when you want to recharge the keyboard, just plug it into your PC for charging. Of course, this will turn to red, and then eventually it turns to a light purple. Now, you may remember I reviewed a gaming keyboard. It was awesome as well. The only problem was I found out I really missed these keys. As a media creator, those are super handy. A user also asked, they wanted to hear how quiet it is. So here is your keyboard test. Take a listen. It is not silent, but I will say I do love the clicky feel. So as I wrap up, love the connectivity of this device. It works with everything that I throw at it. Super simple, and the ability to adjust the colors is awesome as well. Just a quick reminder, this is my second REDRAGON keyboard. I have loved both of them. Of course, I did go to this one because I needed those media keys as a content creator. Friends, I do want to quickly say thank you to everybody that's chosen to support me via YouTube memberships. Of course, there's a couple levels. Choose the one that fits you. I do also want to say thank you to everybody that support me via Patreon. Love how that group has grown. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly of above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, every time you hit that like button, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.